Hi, hello, namaskar. Today I'm going to be taking all of you to Laundromat, and yes, I'm recording this video in English so that it would be useful to as many people as it can, especially for the ones who are new in New Zealand or the ones who are trying to move to New Zealand and they don't know what is Laundromat. And also it would be interesting for rest of the people just to know what Laundromat is. So, what is laundromat? Laundromat is a place wherein you can wash your clothes and dry. Basically, just do all of your laundry stuff. Laundromats are all over the places in New Zealand, and mostly they are open 24/7. In New Zealand, weather is extremely unpredictable. Most of the time it is raining and it is really hard to dry your clothes, and it is even harder if you do not have dryer at your home. So people who do not have dryer at their home or even washing machine, they can go to the laundromat and do their laundry. So it becomes really helpful. So I explored the laundromat which is nearby my house. It is 24/7 open, and I thought of sharing my experience with all of you. So let's get started. This is how it looks from inside. There is a table where you can put all of your stuff and benches as well to sit while you are waiting for your laundry to complete. Here is a basin. Firstly, you would need coins to get started with the laundry. So here is a coin machine wherein you can change your notes. So it accepts $5, $10, $20, $50 and $100 note. So I tried to insert a $100 note to get the change. I tried a few times but it didn't work. So maybe it was not accepting the $100 note at that time. So yeah. Then I tried with the $10 note and it worked. I got the change. So you can collect your change here. Then I got $10 more. So again I inserted the notes and received the coins for these. Here you can see all the instructions in detail to get the change if you have any confusion. Here you can see dryers. There are two different sizes of dryer. Depending on your load, you can choose the dryer. And also you have three different sizes in the washer: small, medium and large. Depending upon how much quantity of clothes you have, you can choose the washer. Depending upon the size of washer, price varies by $1 or $2. There are three types of washing cycle: cold wash, warm wash or the hot wash. Cold wash and hot or warm wash prices are also varied by $1. There is price mentioned on each of the washer, so you can just go through that. Also all the instructions are mentioned on each of the washer and also dryer, so it is really easy to follow. There is a vending machine as well from where you can get detergent or the laundry bag. Now let's see how to operate the machine. So based on my load, I have chose the smaller washer. So first we have to put all of our laundry. Then at the top you need to add the detergent. So here you can see this is the compartment to add the detergent. So let's add some. It's done. Now we can close it. Now based on the type of wash, you need to add the coin. For hot wash we need to add $3. For cold we need to add $2. So we are choosing hot wash here, so we need to add $3. So it is done. Now we need to choose hot wash over here, and then now we can start the machine. So let's click on the start. You can see it would take 25 minutes. Machine is already started. Now you just need to wait for 25 minutes and then it will be done. So that's how easy it is. All the instructions are mentioned over here. You can see the timer here. Once the clothes are washed, you can then use the dryer. So after 25 minutes we'll see how to dry the clothes in this dryer. So after 24 minutes you can see now it is showing only 1 minute is remaining. Machine is about to stop. Our clothes are already washed. So let's wait for it to finish. Now you can hear the beep, and yeah, it's done. So I'll take out the clothes and put these into the dryer. I'm gonna be choosing the large dryer so that clothes will be dried nicely. So here you can see the prices are mentioned already. So prices are based on the time, how much time you want to dry the clothes. Generally it takes around 40-45 minutes to dry the clothes completely. For that you would need $6 or $7. So you need to add your clothes, close the door, add the coins, and here also you can choose high, medium or low. I'm gonna be choosing high over here and start the machine. So yeah, it started now, and in 40 minutes it would be done. So I waited for 40 minutes and now it's done. So let's open the dryer and see if the clothes are dried or not. So here you can see clothes are dried completely. They are nice and warm. So you don't even need to iron these clothes because they are very nicely done. So my experience of laundromat is great. It's great place to do your laundry. That's all I wanted to cover in this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to this channel.